So I'm currently averaging 250 in Summer League, and I'm gonna take you along my last week of Summer League and show you guys kind of what I'm doing to average 250 during this Summer League season. And maybe you guys will pick up some tricks on how you can too. Damn. Game 1, 268, lost by 10 to the leader right now, which is Jason. So we'll see game 2. I think I'm just going to keep moving right with my stealth, and hopefully it keeps looking good. But 268 out the gate, not a bad score. You bowled with Jared, right?
Yeah, Jared and Brent. You guys like double that opened up with 40 something, 279 pace with like, I think I'm with the face of a pissed off bowler. I think I'm
So I tried to throw a little slower, move in a little bit off that 9 pin and the 10th and a Greek church. So I'm gonna switch to the new messenger salad, brand new messenger salad. Hopefully it goes well because I only brought in 3 balls, plastic ball, stealth, and messenger. So messenger it is. Hopefully this game I can figure it out with this messenger and hopefully strike a bunch. What I do know is that game 2 went well for me. won all the points for the singles, won all the points for the set. Game 3, looking hot so far. Looking hot so far. I need to close this one out for maximum points again. Got 279 off the sheet. Silly little wrap 10. I don't know how it happened, but we can replay that now.
Another rep set here. Another 3/4 bar rep set.
Jared, what do I need here? I need all 3 of them.
He needs all 3 to tie.
I need all 3 of them. It's gonna be a toughie. $800. Well, I got the tie there for game 1 of the second set and shot 802 for the first 3 for my 3-game set with the 279 game 3. So hopefully keep that pace up because Chris is lighting them up right now. Let me show you a shot of his. He's the definition of a high hard one. Oh, please hold. Hold. Oh my God, stick. It's fucked. So much. That was an ugly finish. They just started hooking a lot. I don't really like that at all. So I shot 800 followed by a 240, bringing my average well above the 250 range for the entire Summer League season. Some of the things that I did across the Summer League season, I made sure I brought the same ball. I made sure I brought in the same mindset. My spare game was really good, and obviously if you're gonna average 250, your spare game doesn't really matter. It's all about how much you can strike. And I tried to practice in that center and find some of the angles and bowling balls that worked well for me, and I just continuously brought them every single week. That stealth and that messenger solid were the 2 balls for me, and from there on out, it was bringing in the right mindset where I was really focused on trying to strike and trying to win points. And then obviously the other part of the equation is I was practicing in that home center, making sure I continuously found out what worked and what adjustments I needed to make week to week, maybe to my arsenal or maybe to the way I was playing the lanes to figure out how to keep maintaining that 250 average. And at the end of the Summer League season, I ended up averaging 252. So hopefully these are some tips and tricks for you guys to hopefully average a little bit higher in your leagues. As for me, I need to update my current league game and start practicing at North Rock again. And until the next one, peace.